how you can create an access code for Scotiabank. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can create access code for Scotiabank. In order to create one, you have to first of all log in into your Scotiabank account. So once you're logged into your account, you need to go ahead and tap on your profile, or you can just go ahead and tap on manage account. Under it, you'll be able to see all of these information, and accordingly you will also be able to see some familiar option as access code or create one, or create or generate access code. You have to go ahead and tap on it. As you do that, you'll be prompted to this page where you need to go through all of these statements. After you're done reading the following terms and conditions, click on I agree, located right at the bottom. So basically, while going through this procedure, you have to deal with 4 steps. First thing, you need to verify your identity. So basically, you need to enter in the email for the verification purpose and retype in or type in twice for the confirmation. After that, click the continue button. Now you'll be able to access your code. So first thing, you have to go ahead and select the 5 or 8 digit code, and once again you need to confirm the access code by retyping in. Under it, you need to go ahead and type in the Scotia's card or CVV code that will be located on the back of your card. Once done, click on the continue button, and then you'll be able to see this page where you can go ahead and select real-time code if you want to go through it, read it, and you can go ahead and start it by tapping on the start button located right in the corner. Once again, go through all of these or terms and condition, click on I accept, and once you're done with this procedure, then you can just go ahead and tap the submit button once again, and now you've completed your procedure. So that is how you can generate or create access code on Scotiabank. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.